Hello everyone, guys. A very good evening to all of you, guys. Now let's start with the practice batch, and now we have to start with the practice batch topic mathematics of finance. Guys, everybody, are you all here with me? Kit 2, aspirant, CA diary, CA journey. Everybody, guys, reply fast. Everybody, I'm waiting for a reply. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, okay. Thank you a lot, sir. Okay, let's start. Adikyari. Guys, I hope you all have watched the revision lectures of the mathematics of finance. In this, my agenda is to do the extra practice, practice, and practice. Guys, we have one common goal that we have to do the extra practice in next 10 days. And in this practice batch, I am going to give you a completeness, feeling of completeness that yes, we are going through all the variations and all the concepts. Okay. Guys, let's start. This video is exclusively for my South family. Guys, in 100% English, we are going to discuss mathematics of finance practice session. Okay, let's start with it. Let's start, guys. Aman sir, guys, we will do the simple interest later on. First, we will start with the tough part, that is a compound interest, effective rate, depreciation, present value, future value, capital investment, NPV, leasing, valuation of bonds, CAGR, perpetuity, everything. Let's start. Guys, let's start with the question number 1. I hope I'm expecting that you all have done with the revision session. If you have not completed the revision, if you are not my regular batch student, you have not studied from me, guys, I suggest first watch the revision lectures that I have shared the link that is available in the revision series of my YouTube channel. Let's start. Guys, a sum of money double itself in 10 years. Guys, it becomes m times in n years, in 10 years. Then in how many years? They are asking years. Then in how many years it will become 8 times? Guys, I have simply given you m and n, and guys, I am asking you, I am expecting in how many years. If they are asking years, they are asking q, and if they are asking time, in 8 years it will become how many times. If they're asking the amount in multiple of times, they are asking aq. Aman sir, since they are asking q, they are asking time, so we will use a shortcut. AQ is equals to m raised to the power q upon n. Guys, they are asking in how many years it will become 8 times. So I will just see 8 times 8. What is m? 2. Q I need to find. What is n? 10. So guys, what is, can I say 2? Can I write 2? 8? Can I write 8 as 2 raised to the power 3? Yes, this is 2 raised to the power q upon 10. Since base are same, power have to be same, so I will simply say 3 must be equals to q by 10. So my value for the q is 30 years. So guys, it will become 8 times in 30 years. Everybody guys, I hope you all are getting the answer, option B. Guys, you don't have to wait for me. You have to match your speed, practice speed with me, or you have to do little bit faster than me. First 30 minutes, guys, this we have to cover in 1 hour 45 minutes. We have to conclude this session, and in this time I'm expecting first 30 minutes I'll be doing little slow, but slowly I'll pick up the speed. Okay, let's start. Everybody guys, are you all getting the answer? Everybody guys, are you all getting the answer? Now, the compound interest on certain sum of money for 2 year is, guys, the compound interest on certain sum of money is this, and this much simple interest is this for 2 years. They have given you compound interest for 2 years 209. They have given you simple interest for 2 years, that is 200. Guys, what is the rate? I have given you one shortcut which is independent of principal. I have given you one shortcut. R is equals to 2 times difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years divided by simple interest for 2 years. If you will use this shortcut, guys, I need to calculate R 2 times. What is the difference? 209 minus 200, that is 9, divided by simple interest for 2 years. So guys, you will get the rate 2 into, hold your calculator, 2 into 9 divided by 200. Aman sir, we are getting 0.09. But since I want to express the rate in percentage, multiply by 100. Sir, option 2 question. Sir, why are you not wearing dhoti? I used to wear dhoti in occasional. Okay, my question to you, why you are not focusing on your studies? Okay, guys, rate 0.09 multiply by 100, my rate will be, everybody guys, 9%. Okay, now can I move ahead? Everybody guys, we are, so the answer for this question is 9%. Everybody, option A, everybody guys, option A, 9% is the right answer. If you are expecting, Aman sir, can we go from option to question? No, you can't go. To go from option to question, you need principle. Even if you to go with the formula, you need principle. And the question has not given you principle. So guys, I have given you this shortcut which is independent of principle, and 99.99% guys, they ask very frequently ask question that they give you the compound interest and simple interest for 2 years and they ask the rate, or they give you the rate, they give you compound interest for 2 years and they ask the simple interest for 2 years. With this shortcut you can calculate it very fast. This is our advanced shortcut number 2 we have written in the class. Now everybody guys, can I move forward? Guys, can I move forward? Let's start with this. Rupees 10,000 is invested at an annual rate of interest 10%. The amount after 2 years. Guys, they're simply asking the amount after 2 years. So let's calculate the amount. Aman sir, they have given you principal. You have invested 10,000 rupees at 10% for 2 years. They are asking the amount. They're asking the amount. Let's apply. Let's start guys, let's start. Everybody, let's start with this. Everybody guys with me. Aman sir, r, clear the memory. R upon 100 plus 1 multiply by principal 10,000. You need to calculate the amount after 2 years, so you have to press equals to button 2 times. Everybody, you must be getting 12100. Everybody guys, you must be getting. Great. Praveen, congratulations. You have completed CMA Inter. Very, very big congratulations, sir. Okay, thank you, Rocks. Everybody, MI 12100. Guys, you have to make the chat section extremely active. It should be participative. You have to calculate the answer fast along with me. Guys, this is our exam time. We are not here to waste the time. We have to get the answers fast. Okay, let's move ahead. Aspirant, absolutely correct. Aman sir, this is a question which is already there in the module. Along with this, this question is also available in MTP. But in module, they have given a better answer. They have given the answer 35 years. And here 35 is not given, so 36 we have to check. Let's see what they are saying. Aman sir, what they have given, the annual birth rate. They have given you birth rate. How much is the birth rate given and death rate given? 39.4, and guys, death rate given is 19.4. So can you tell me what is the net rate they have given? 20%. But the problem is, whenever we are applying any trick or any formula, the rates are always out of 100. But this is not the rates out of 100. These are the rates out of 1000. These are the rates out of 1000. Sir, we need rates out of 100, not in rate of 1000. So for 1000, the rate is 20%. So how much is the rate for 1? 20 divided by 1000. So how much is the rate for 100? Aman sir, we will do this and we'll get the rate is 2%. So out of 100, the rate is 2%. Just a second, guys. Durgesh 9. Guys, tomorrow we'll shift towards the app because the chat section is extremely but just personal talk, sir. What's your name? What's your why you're not wearing dhoti and all, you know. Okay, guys, madam, can you just start this fan and ask someone to monitor the chat section and throw some students out. Fine. Everybody. Now, guys, now they are asking in how many years the population will double. Population will double. Everybody, guys, with me. Population will double means, sir, Aman sir, if they have not given what was the population in the beginning, I have to assume that the population was 100. After how many years it will double? Double means, guys, 200. Double. Aman sir, I will say this is principal and this is amount. They have given the rate increasing, population is increasing at the rate of 2%. They are asking time. Everybody knows whenever we have to calculate the time, we have to go from option to question. Whenever they are asking principal, rate or time, we have to go from option to question. The option which will convert my 100 rupees principal into 200, that option will be correct. Everybody with me. Let's start. Sir, R upon 100 plus 1 multiply by principal 100. Now, the least option is 25 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, in 25 years, we are not getting double. Next biggest option is 30. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. No, Aman sir, we are not getting 200. Now, next bigger option is, guys, 36 years. Now, Aman sir, let's calculate for 36. You have already pressed equals to button 30 times. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Guys, now see, they are using the word approx. It means, yes, Aman sir, in 36 year, we are getting the 100 rupees double, but we are getting something extra, 3 rupees extra. It's okay, since they are asking about the double, guys, approx. So yes, you have to accept the difference of 2, 3 rupees. But guys, the better answer is 35 years. In the MTP, when they ask, they have given the option 36. But in module, they have given the better answer 35. That would be more correct. So guys, in exam, even if they give you 36, don't say none of these. 36 will be the correct answer. Now, yes, Vedika, right answer. Amriddha, right answer. Aspirant, right answer. Everybody, moving forward. Guys, the difference between CI and SI on certain sum of money is this much. Find the sum. Guys, can you tell me what is the shortcut for difference between compound interest and simple interest for 3 years? For the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 3 years, our they have given 110.16. Aman sir, the shortcut is PR square bracket R plus 3. They have given you, this is 110.16. Everybody, guys, with me. Everybody with me. Sir, we need to calculate P. How much is R? 0.06 square. 3 plus 0.06, 3.06. 110.16. Everybody with me. Now, Aman sir, we need to calculate P. Let's do it, guys. 110.16. Now, let's calculate this information in the calculator. How much? Sir, 0.06 square into 112 square multiply by 3.06. Aman sir, this entire calculation is this. This will come here in division. So I will directly write 0.011016. 0.011016. Now everybody knows I don't need to divide this. So I will use this as in memory M plus. What I want to divide 110.16 divided by, from what you want to divide, the information that you have stored in the memory. It is a confirmation call. You will press equals to button and you will get the principal is equals to how much, everybody? Principal is equals to 1000. So guys, the correct answer for this question, is 10,000. Everybody, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Can I move forward? Yes, Aman sir. Everybody, a person invests 3,000 in 3 years. A person invests 3,000 in 3 years. That pays 12% per annum. Calculate the future value. Since they are using the word future value, it does not mean that a question belongs to the future value concept. Guys, unless you make the multiple payments, question never belongs to the phase 2. Question belongs to the phase 2 only when there is a multiple payment. A person invests 3,000 in 3 years. They are not saying a person invests 3,000 for 3 years at the end of it. They are not saying like this. It means person has deposited 3,000 one time, which remains in the deposit for 3 years. There is no multiple payment. So this question belongs to the phase 1. Simply this question says a person has deposited 3,000 rupees in a bank. Guys, for how many, guys? What is the rate? 12%. Okay, for 3 years. They are asking the future value. It means, guys, future value just means amount. But since they are saying for single value, I will simply say they are just asking the amount. If they would have said that yes, you are making 3,000 at the end of every year for 3 years, then I would have used the trick of future value. They are simply asking the amount. Guys, Balram, very good. Absolutely correct answer. Let's start with this. Aman sir, amount. Yes, aspirant asking amount. Everybody, R upon 100 plus 1 multiply by principal. Sorry, 3,000 multiply by principal equals to 3 times 1, 2, 3. Guys, everybody, the correct answer is 421.78. Everybody, option 421.78. Everybody, option A is the right answer. The time by which the sum of money will triple itself. Everybody with me. The time by which the sum of money will triple. If I have deposited 300, it will triple. Triple means, guys, it will come 300. they have given you the rate. How much is the rate they have given? Rate given is 8%. They are asking time. Everybody knows whenever they ask time, we have to go from option to question. Here there is only one option which is in decimal. There is no other option is in decimal. So yes, you should go from option to question approach. But I will tell you the exact method also, how to deal with the how to calculate exact power also. लिख के बता दो सर. Vedika, I will suggest go for that Hindi version that I have already taken. Go for that Hindi version that I have already taken. Yes, everybody, anyone, if you have not done with the revision, I suggest please watch the revision. Vedika, if you have not done with the revision, first go with the revision, then only watch this practice batch. This is a practice batch question bank series, not at all a revision series. Revision is mandatory, it is a pre-requirement. Now, let's start. Everybody, guys, everybody with me. Aman sir, they are asking the time. Yes, 14.2 is right, but still, let's start with this. Aman sir, the option which will convert my this principal into this amount, that option will be correct. Now, let's start. Everybody, R upon 100 plus 1 multiply by principal 100. The smallest option is 12 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, sir, we are not getting triple. We are not getting 300. Next bigger option is 14. 13, 14. Yes, we are having a difference of 7 rupees. We need some more time. And yes, you have one more option which is having some extra time. 14 more, little more time than 14. That is option A. So guys, option A is the right answer. So on 23rd question, how you find the net rate? How means why? See, birth rate will increase the population, death rate will decrease the population. I need the net increasing rate with which the population is increasing. Birth rate is increasing the population, death rate will decrease the population. I have just taken the difference. I have just taken their difference. So you will get the net rate is 20%. That's all, nothing else. Now, everybody with me, guys, you have to ask that question on the same time, okay, so that we can be stay on time. Yes, Aman sir, option to question approach is clear. But everybody, guys, please pay attention. You know one more method. Yes, Anirudh, I am going through that. Aman sir, but what if we are having two options in decimal? What if we have 14.29 or what if we are having 14.97? We know the option is greater than 14. Now, greater than 14 means 14.27 or 14.97. Now, what we will do, guys, in that case, you have to apply the formula whenever you are having the years are in decimal. Whenever the years are in decimal, I have told in the class, always prefer the formula. Guys, what is the formula? Formula is amount is equals to P into bracket 1 plus I raised to the power n. P into bracket 1 plus I raised to the power n. Now, guys, let's start. You need amount 200, you need amount 300, principal 100, 1 plus I raised to the power n. Everybody with me. Once you solve this, you will get 3 is equals to do this in calculator. Guys, do this in calculator. 1 plus 8%. Guys, 1 plus 8%. You will get 1.08 raised to the power n. Guys, one very important concept now I will teach you. Many times, guys, students get confused. See, if you are having something like this, a raised to the power x is equals to b. And guys, whenever you need to calculate this power, guys, everybody please understand. I'll explain this. Just a second, guys. This is getting everybody, guys. Just a second. Yes, guys, whenever question is demanding to calculate the power, guys, you have to take log both the side. Log a raised to the power x is equals to log b. Now this x will come forward. Log a is equals to log b. So guys, how you have to calculate x? Log b divided by log a. Log b divided by log a. Guys, everybody, log b divided by log a. So guys, just to save the time, no interpolation technique, guys. Now we will skip the interpolation technique. No interpolation technique. I will give you more better shortcut than interpolation. I will teach you that part today. Don't worry. Now, everybody with me. Aman sir, guys, everybody, I request all of you write down one tip in the note. Write down one tip. if you need to calculate sometime, whenever you need to calculate this x, guys, whenever you need to calculate this power, if you want to calculate this power, write directly x is equals to log of the right hand side, log b divided by log a, log b divided by log a. Guys, this is how you have to calculate x. Now, Aman sir, in this case, you need to calculate power n. So guys, write directly. Don't waste your time in taking log both the side or something. Write directly. N is equals to log of this divided by log of this. Now, everybody knows how to calculate the log. Everybody with me. Aman sir, now we will write it directly. Whenever you need to calculate log of anything, a, take under root 12 times, take under root 12 times, sorry, take under root 13 times, minus 1, multiply by 355, multiply by 3558, and you will get the value of log. Under root 13 times, minus 1, guys, multiply by 3558. Now, Aman sir, we need to take the log of this. First, calculate the denominator first. Always calculate the denominator first. Let's calculate the log of this. 1.08 under root 13 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 minus 1 multiply by 3558. Guys, you have calculated this. Do this in m plus. Now let's calculate log 3. How to calculate log 3? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 minus 1 multiply by 3558. Done with the numerator calculation. Now you have this divided by MRC. You are dividing it by this is equals to, you will get 14.28. Since after 7 this is 5, you can round it off to 14.28. Everybody guys, you can round it off to 14.28. So guys, whenever you need to calculate the power, just use the log trick. Just use this. Whenever you need to calculate power x, log of this divided by log of this. Everybody, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, you can go from option to question approach. Now, if you're having multiple options are in decimal, just use this. Just use the formula. Whenever the years are in decimal, you have to go from the formula. Guys, everybody, is this point clear to all of you? I'm waiting for your reply. Guys, I am waiting for your reply. Guys, I am waiting for your reply. Unless you reply, I can't move forward. Unless you reply, I can't move forward. Yes, sir. Now, everybody with me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, let's calculate this. The difference between simple interest and compound interest on certain sum of money for 3 years. Guys, they have given you the difference and they're simply asking you to calculate the compound. Sir, to calculate the compound interest, we need the principal. They have not given the principal, they have given the difference. What is the difference? The compound interest for 3 years minus simple interest for 3 years. They have given 228.75. To calculate the compound interest on anything, you need the principal. You know one shortcut. What is the shortcut? PR square bracket R plus 3 is equal to 228.75. Now, Aman sir, I need to calculate the principal P. What is rate, guys? Rate is 5%. 0.05 square, 3.05, 0.5 plus 3, it will be like this, 228.75. Now let's calculate the principal. Everybody guys, let's calculate the principal. Everybody know that this will come here in division. So let's calculate this part first and clear the memory. 0.05 into 0.05 square multiply by 3.05. You have this entire information. This you need to divide this or something else. Aman sir, something else. I will store this in m plus. What you want to divide? 228.75. I want to divide this. From this you have stored in the memory. This you have stored in the memory, MRC. You will press equals to button. You will get the principal is 30,000. But guys, they are not asking the principal. They are not asking principal. Everybody, they are asking you the compound interest for 2 years. How to calculate the compound interest for 2 years? Everybody, Aman sir, we know the trick. Let's apply the calculator trick. R upon 100 plus 1 multiply by principal 30,000 equals to 2 times. But this is amount after 2 years. Amount minus principal 30,000. Aman sir, we are having 30. 3075. We are having 3075. Everybody, option 3075. 3075. Everybody, guys, option B is the right answer. Guys, are you all getting the answer? Everybody, guys, are you all getting the answers? Yes or no? I'm waiting for your reply, guys. Everybody, are you all getting the answers? I hope you are done with the revision. In next 10 days, we are going to solve top 8 to 10 chapters. And guys, trust me, I will add a huge amount of values to you. Make sure that you have studied first. Revision is done. This is for the extra practice. If you have not done with the revision or study, the practice batch is not for you. Again, now with me, guys, if same question, a person invest 5,000 in 3 years, that pays you 12% per annum. Guys, 5,000 in 3 years, they are asking future value, but this is not annuity, guys. This is single payment. This is not annuity, this is principal. Aman sir, same question, they have given you principal 5,000 and they are asking the amount after 3 years. Aman sir, same question, just they are manipulating with the word future value. Everybody, guys, let's start. Sir, is this questions? Yes, these questions are enough. As on practice, these are enough because we are. But yes, conceptual part should be very strong. Now, R upon 100 plus 1 multiply principal of 5,000. 1, 2, 3. Aman sir, you must be getting 7024 7024.64. 7024.64. Everybody, option A is the right answer. Guys, I hope this question is clear. Mock test paper 2021, MTP 2021. Guys, I hope you are getting the answers. See, guys, papers are easy. You just need to perform. You have to perform, guys. That's all. Sir, guys, Hakuna Matata. Okay, Hakuna Matata. Yes, these questions are sufficient. If you are done with the practice, yes, these are sufficient. I'm going to cover you all the varieties. No varieties will be left. Now, next question, guys. 10,000 is invested, guys. We have already solved the amount after 2 years. Repeated question. Let's do it again. Let's do it again, guys. R upon 100 plus 1 multiply principal 10,000 amount after 2 years 12100. Everybody, option B is the right answer. Guys, what the next question is saying, what will be the population after 3 years? What will be the population after 3 years when the present population is 25,000? 3% for first year, guys. If rates are keep on changing every year, what is our trick? P plus R1% plus R2% plus R3%, and you will get amount after that number of years. Aman sir, we need the amount. Sir, I have not seen a revision video, but the video available on YouTube after the end of, yes, this will be available. But please, again, I am requesting, please complete the revision. If you have joined the practice batch, I hope you all have watched the introduction of the practice batch. What I have clarified, practice is important, revision is important. You must know what I am saying. If you don't know what is the shortcut, how you will participate. To participate, you have to do with the revision video first. Self-study revision. If you're my regular batch student, that is okay. If not, then revision is mandatory. YouTube revision video is mandatory. Guys, let's start. Aman sir, P plus R1%, 3% plus 4% plus 5%. So guys, the population will be 28119. Everybody, option A is the right answer. Very good. Twaisha, Balaram, ML, Twaisha, Aspirant, Vedika, Jovidha. Very good. Kateshwaras. If I'm really sorry if I'm unable to pronounce the name. I'm really sorry for it. Okay. Now, next question, guys. Mark this question as an LDR. After this session, you have to practice this questions once again. You have to practice this question. Mark this an LDR, guys. They are saying the nominal growth rate, nominal rate of interest, nominal rate they have given 17%. Inflation rate they have given 9%. Let P be the GDP, guys. What they are saying, let P be the GDP. Today, let the P be the GDP. Okay. GDP amount at the present year. What is the projected? Highlight the word real GDP after 6 years. What will be the real GDP after 6 years? What will be the real GDP? Guys, in short, you have deposited P today. what will be your amount after 6 years. They are simply asking the amount. The point is, Aman sir, what rate I should take? Since they are asking the real GDP, we need the real rate of return. And you must be aware, real rate of return means including in considering inflation. This rate is inflation free. This rate is inflation free, 17%. Okay, and as 9% is inflation rate. If this is inflation free, 9% is inflation. What really you are making the money? Aman, really we are making 17 minus 9, 8%. So to get the real GDP, we need real rate, and real rate is 8%. Now, how to get this in the calculator? See, guys, I know you can't type P. Can I say P means 1P? Let's convert 1 into your amount after 6 years. Let's do it. How to calculate the amount? Our trick says R upon 100 plus 1 multiply by principal 1. P, guys, just take the coefficient of this, multiply by 1. You need amount after 6 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Round it off, guys. 1.58. If you round it off to 3 digits, this 6 will convert into 7, because here you have 8. So you will get guys 1.587p. 1.587p, everybody. So the correct answer for this will be 1.587p. Option A will be the correct answer. Guys, are you all getting the answer? Everybody, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Can I move forward? Guys, we are doing the wonderful questions. We are doing with all the category of the questions, and yes, it is very important. Can I move ahead? Guys, can I move forward? Yes. Now, the compound interest on certain, guys, the compound interest on certain sum of money for 2 years is this much. Very good question. Mark this question as an LDR. Guys, mark this question as an LDR. You have to revise once again after the class. The compound interest on certain sum of money for 2 years is this much. Then the simple interest, they are asking calculate the simple interest on same sum. We need the sum. Double the time. Time was 2 years, so double the time means 4 years. Double the rate. Compound interest was calculated for 5%, so you have to calculate a simple interest for double the rate. Double the rate means, guys, 10%. Aman sir, what I can say simply, they are asking simple interest. Formula is principal into rate into time. They are saying principal must be same, but you have to double the time and double the rate. Compound interest was calculated for 5%. You have to double the rate. 10%, 10 divided by 100. Double the time. You have, guys, double the time means what is double of 2 years? 4 years. Aman sir, we need the principal. We need the principal. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is a new question. No. Not at all. This is a new question. But yes, this was a theory. We have studied this in theory respect. Yes, this is a practically very good question. In practice batch, I am going to add the frequently asked question also, and some new variety tough questions also. Now, what they are saying, guys, they are saying compound interest for 2 years is 246. If you need to calculate the principal, Aman sir, we need principal. To calculate the simple interest, we need the principal. And to get the principal, you have to apply the formula. What is the compound interest formula? P into bracket 1 plus I raised to the power n minus 1. So this is, they have given 256. Okay. Aman sir, I need to calculate the principal. 1 plus I. What is rate, guys? Rate is 5%. This is a compound interest for 2 years. Minus 1 is equals to 246. Now, let's calculate entire this thing in the calculator. Guys, let's calculate entire this thing in the calculator. 1 plus 5%. You are having 1.05. You have to take the square of it into 1, 2. Then you have to do minus 1. Aman sir, in the bracket, we are having 0.1025 is equals to 246. What will be P? Everybody know that this will come here in division. So you have to do M plus 246 divided by MRC is equals to. So guys, the principal is 2400. Everybody, you must be getting principal is 2400. Aman sir, we need to calculate the simple interest. For double the time, double the rate, but the principal was same. So the principal is, guys, 2400, double the rate, double the time. How much? Everybody, I'm waiting for your answer, guys. I'm waiting for your answer. Aman sir, 2400, double the rate 10%, double the time for 4 years, 960. So guys, the compound interest is 960 rupees. Everybody, this is the answer. Everybody, are you all getting the answer 960? Guys, are you all getting the answer 960? Everybody, here we are done with the practice of compound interest. Guys, see, here we are done with the practice of compound interest. Now, can I say, guys, 2400960? Something mistake. Shanmuga, something is wrong. Balram, Harsh, everybody, guys, I want to ask you all, is speed okay? Are you all getting the concept? Are you finding this session very effective and efficient? Guys, first clarify me. Guys, can I move ahead? Okay, so guys, here I can say, from, if you are having compound interest, I have made you ready with the formula. You can calculate time also with this formula, guys. Since it was an amount formula, and if you do -1, it will be a bracket, it will be a CI formula, guys. With the compound interest formula, I have made you ready to calculate principal also, and you can even calculate the time also. So guys, now you are not dependent on only on the trick, guys. I have made you ready for the to calculate any missing figure from the amount and compound interest formula, guys. Yes, we'll do it, we'll try, I'll try my level best. Okay, now guys, let's move forward. Now let's calculate effective rate. What is our trick for the effective rate? R upon 100 plus 1, R upon 100, 200, 400, 1200, depend upon the scenario, plus 1 multiply by 100 equals to whatever it comes minus 100. Now let's do it, guys, let's do it. Everybody with me. The effective rate of interest on an amount, they are just manipulating you. For effective rate, principal and time is useless parameter. Now deposit in a bank for 1 year, useless. 6% compounding is done half yearly. Everybody with me, sir, compounding is done half yearly. R upon 200 plus 1 multiply by 100 equals to 2 times whatever it comes minus 100. Aman sir, we are getting 6.09. We are getting 6.09. Everybody, option C is the right answer, guys. C is the right answer. Yes, Anirudh, Roshan, GPT, Vedika, everybody, guys, right answer. Now next question, the effective rate. Now please welcome this question. The effective rate is 12%. This time they have given you effective rate. They have given you effective rate 12% per annum, and interest is paid quarterly, guys. It is done quarterly. The nominal rate, this time they are asking, guys, this time they are asking nominal rate. Aman sir, we have trick to convert nominal rate into effective rate, guys. If they are asking, can I say our trick is R upon 100, since it is quarterly, R upon 400 plus 1 multiply by 100 equals to minus 100, and you get the effective rate. You have to press equals to button 4 times. Now this time they have given you effective rate and they are asking the nominal rate. If they ask anything backward of equals to button, if they ask anything backward of equals to button, you have to go from option to question. You have to go from option to question. So guys, just to save the time, I request all of you, just check for the option D first. The option that will give you 12% effective rate, that option will be correct. Just to save the time, I am going with the option D. No option will give you 12%. Only option D will give you, guys, only, sir, 6.09. Yes. Let's start, sir. R, let's pray to option D. Option D, please give me 12% effective rate. Let's start. 11.49 R upon 400 plus 1 multiply by 100 equals to 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever you get minus 100. Are you getting 11.99? Guys, are you getting 11.99? Or I can simply say you are getting 12%. Since this give me an effective rate, Since this option give me an effective rate of 12%, this option is correct. Rest all the options are wrong. Guys, 11.99 Latik, absolutely correct answer. Absolutely correct answer. Lalit, Balram, absolutely correct answer. Guys, now let's move forward with the depreciation. Guys, what is our trick for the depreciation? Aman sir, our trick is 1 minus r% into machine value is equals to scrap. 1 minus r% into machine value is equals to scrap. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. I request all of you, let's first start with this question. Okay, I've taken all the tough questions. Okay, guys, this is going to a very superb question. See, let's start. Okay, let's deal with this. Whatever it comes, let's deal with this. Machine worth, machine value is this much, depreciation rate is this much, opening value when guys it reduced to, guys, when it is reduced to 2 lakh, guys, they have given you scrap, they have given you scrap, they have given you machine value, they have given you rate of depreciation, they are asking time. If they have not, since options are very close, I can't go from option to question. It means years are in short, years are in decimal, and when the years are in decimal, I have to go from option to question. Everybody guys, please pay full attention. Aman sir, how we have to deal with this? Guys, our formula for this is scrap is equals to machine value 1 minus r% raised to the power n. You need to calculate the power n. I'm using the formula. What is the scrap? Sir, 2 lakh. What is machine value? 490, 740. 1 minus r%. Everybody guys, 1 minus 15%. If you do 1 minus 15%, you will get 0.85 raised to the power n. Guys, this will come here in division and you will have 2 lakh divided by 490 is equals to 0.85 raised to the power n. Whenever you need to calculate power n, I just taught you, whenever you need to calculate power n, just take log of this right hand side, divided by log of 0.85, divided by log of 0.85. Everybody, log of this divided by log of 0.85. I always insist to calculate the denominator first. Guys, let's calculate a log of 0.85. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 minus 1 multiply by 3,558. Guys, whatever you are getting m plus, you are done with this calculation and you have stored this in the memory. Now let's calculate a log of this. To calculate a log of this, first convert this into decimal. 2 lakh divided by 490, 740. Now, Aman sir, I have done this. I need to take the log of this. I need to take the log of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 minus 1 multiply by 3,558. Whatever you are getting divided by MRC. Aman sir, we are having two answers. See, Aman sir, we are getting 5.52 years. 5.52 years. Everybody, you all are getting guys 5.52 years. But the problem is, Aman sir, 5 years is sure. We are getting also 5 years. But you after a decimal part is also you are getting in decimal. Yes, the decimal part is also in years. And they have not expressed their answers in years. They have converted the decimal parts into a month. Everybody knows that in 1 year there are 12 months. Let's convert. Guys, can I write like this? Everybody, can I write this answer like this? 5 year plus. Now wait. Now wait. What is the decimal part? Decimal part is as 0.52278. Aman sir, in 1 year there are 12 months. Then in this much number of years, how many months? Multiply by 12. 6.27 months. Since this is after 6, there is 2. I will not round it off to 7. This will be, guys, I will ignore the decimal part and I will say 5 years plus 6 months. Everybody, option A will be the correct answer. So guys, whenever you need to calculate a time either in compound interest or guys, you have to calculate a time in depreciation and the years are in decimal, guys, you have to apply the formula and you have to use the log. Guys, I have taught you this very well. Guys, I'm teaching you this from the very basics. Even if you have not studied, yes, you can understand from this part. And yes, I want all of you to retain this. Is this point clear to all of you? Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Yes or no? Guys, I'm waiting for your reply. See, okay, I'll repeat. See, guys, I hope this much part is clear. 5 years and 50. See, guys, you must be thinking, everybody, wait, Balram, I will repeat. Yes, yes. Wait, I'll repeat this part. Everybody, I hope this much part is clear to all of you. I just put the information over here, and here from here I use the log. Whenever I need to calculate the power, n is equals to log of this divided by log of this. Now you have converted this value into a number, you have converted this value into a number division, and you will get 5.52. I'll explain from this, sir. So log calculation along 1 second, repeat. Okay, let's start. Everybody, can I start from this part? Let's reach to this part again. Everybody, let's start from this part. Aman sir, we will always calculate the denominator first. Let's calculate the denominator. Sir, let's take the log of 0.85. Clear the memory. 0.85. Let's take under root 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Minus 1 multiplied by 3, 558. You are done with the calculation of the denominator. You need to divide this. No, sir. Aman sir, we need to divide something else from this. So store this in the m plus. What you need to divide? Aman sir, we need to calculate this. First, we have to convert this into decimal. 2 lakh divided by 490, 740. Okay, done with this into decimal. I need to take the log of this. I need to take log of this. How to take the log of this? Under root 13 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 minus 1 multiplied by 3, 558 divided by this. You have stored this in the memory. MRC equals to. Aman sir, we are getting n is equals to 5.52 years. Everybody, 5.52 years. But the problem is in this they have given in month and you are having the answer in years. This is also year and this is also year. Aman sir, 5 is a complete year, but this is 0.52 years. You can say 5 years plus 0.52 years. But I want to convert this decimal part of the years into a month. 1 year means 12 months. Then this much year means how many month? Again, I will use the calculator. Aman sir, 0.52 multiplied by 12. You will get 6.24. Guys, can I ignore the decimal part? It means 0.52 years means 6 months. Guys, everybody, is this point clear to all of you now? Guys, acknowledge me back. Is this point clear to all of you? And if the options are so close, then yes, you can go from this particular method. Guys, can I move forward? Is this point clear to all of you? Can I move forward, guys? Everybody, can I move forward? Yes, sir. Understood, Balram. Kateshwar, Sanmukha, ML, everybody, Twisha, Lalit, everybody, guys, reply me fast. More and more you interact, the more connecting the session will be. Yes. Now, next question. Yes, guys. Now let's question. The value of the machine depreciated 12%. Its present value is this much. The value 3 years before. Guys, they are simply asking the original cost of the machine. The machine value is 68,150 today. Okay. What was the value 3 years before? The rate is 12%, and they are asking the value 3 years before. That's, can I say they have given you scrap? And whenever they ask anything equals to or backward of equals to, we go from option to question. So I will take, guys, just to save the time, I will take option B. I will take the machine value from the option. The option which will give me the scrap of this much, that option will be correct. So let's start with this. Everybody, clear the memory. 1 minus R percent, 1 minus 12%. into machine value, option B, 1004, 100004. After 3 years, 1, 2, 3. Ignore the decimal, increase it by 1 and ignore the decimal. Sir, with option B, we are getting the scrap of 68,150. 68,150. It means option B is correct. Rest all the options are wrong. If they ask time and it is in decimal, you can go from the formula. But if they ask machine value, rate of depreciation, or they ask time and time is not in years, in that case, you can always go from option 2 question. If they ask equals to or backward of equals to, we will always go from option 2 question. Yes, 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 yes. Option B, sir. Yes. See, guys, point 0.9. If you ignore the decimal, round it off, you will get the same part. Now, guys, mark this question as an LDR. Mark this question as an LDR question. Last day revision question. Guys, a very good question. Mark this question as an LDR. Guys, fast. Mark this question as an LDR question. Now, machine is depreciated at 20% of the reducing balance. Original machine is 1 lakh. Sorry, not this one, not this one, not this one is LDR. This is an easy question, guys. They have given you the scrap, they have given you machine value, they have given rate of depreciation. They are asking life is hidden in equals to button. Yes, you can apply this and you can calculate it like this. You can calculate, you will put the scrap, you will put the machine value, you will calculate n, you can get the answer. But guys, always don't prefer to calculate the time from the formula. Here options are not very close, options are far, options are not very close. Here options were very close, I was bound to go from the formula. Here options are not very close, so I will go from option to question approach. The option which will give me a scrap of 30,000, I'll pray to option please give me a scrap of 30,000. The option which will give me a scrap of 30,000, that option will be correct. So let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. Everybody, 1 minus r percent, 1 minus 20%, multiply by machine value 1 lakh. Now, option A says 4.5 years. Aman sir, you can't press equals to button 4.5 times. At least you can press 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need scrap of 30,000. I need more time. No, sir, but you need more time. Now, next bigger option is let's bet on 5. I pressed equals to button 5 times. Even after pressing 5 times, I am getting a scrap of 32,000. I want a scrap of 30,000. I need time more than 5 years, and there is only one option which is more than 5, that is option B. So guys, in this question, don't try to always apply the formula when the years are in decimal. If the years are in decimal and they are very close options, then apply. Aman sir, but for the practice, let's do it again, sir. We will have good amount of practice on this formula. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. What is the formula? Aman sir, scrap is equals to machine value 1 minus r raised to the power n. You need a scrap of 30,000. Yes, machine value is 1 lakh. 1 minus 20% will give you 0.80 raised to the power n. Aman sir, I need to calculate n. Guys, let's do the practice of this. Everybody, this will come here in division. This will come here in division. 30,000 divided by 1 lakh, 0.3. 0.3 is equals to 0.80 raised to the power n. You know how to calculate n. Aman sir, we everybody know. N is equals to log of this divided by log of this. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Let's calculate the denominator first. Everybody, let's calculate a 0.80 under root 12 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Minus 1 multiply by 3,558. Guys, I don't want to divide this. Guys, m plus. Now let's convert this into a 0.3. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Minus 1 multiply by 3,558. This divided by MRC. Sir, 5.39. If you round it off to one digit after a decimal, 5.39. Since it is 9, this will increase it to 4. And you will get the exact answer, 5.4 years. Everybody, guys, you will get 5.4 years. 5.4 years. Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, now I hope now this part will sound you more easy. Now here option to question approach also, and with the formula practice also we are concluding this part. Yes, 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 Balram, superb. Now mark this question as an LDR. Everybody, mark this question as an LGR. You have to do it twice on my request. Please, everybody, on my request. I request. Guys, a Maruti Zen costing 3,60,000. Its depreciation rate is 10%. For first 2 years, the rate is 20%. Sorry, for first 10% for first 2 years, then 20% for third year. They are asking not scrap. They are asking total depreciation. Guys, they are asking total depreciation. Guys, simply can I say, Aman sir, what is the value of the machine today? 3,60,000. Guys, for first 2 years, the rate of depreciation is 10%. For third year, the rate of depreciation is 20%. Let's calculate the scrap. Guys, let's calculate the scrap at the end of its life, at the end of third year. Aman sir, rates are keep on changing. You can do like this. First, let's calculate the machine value at this point. 1 minus r percent, 10%, multiply by machine value 3,60,000. You need the machine value after 2 years, 1 2. This is the value of machine at the end of second year. Now you have to reduce it by more 20%, minus 20%. Why? Because guys, the rate was changing, so I have to stop at second year. For this I have to subtract it separately. 233, guys, so scrap is 233 280. So guys, what is this depreciation? Aman sir, depreciation will be machine value at the beginning minus scrap will give you the depreciation. Original cost was 3,60,000. Now it is only 233,280. So how much is the depreciation minus 3,60,000? Guys, 126, 720. Everybody, guys, 126, 720. Option 126, 720. Everybody, option A is the right answer. Guys, option A is the right answer. Is this point clear to all of you? Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Can I move forward? Yes. Next question, guys. The machine value is this much. The present value of the scooter. Present value, it means guys, today's value of the scooter is, guys, how much? 7,290. If its value decrease every year by 10%, the value 3 years before. Guys, they're just asking the value 3 years before machine value. They have given you the scrap. Aman sir, we will go from option to question. The option which will give me a scrap of 7,290, that option will be correct. Everybody, let's do it from the calculator. Aman sir, 1 minus r percent. What is the rate of depreciation, guys? 10%. 1 minus 10%, multiply by, I'm requesting option A. Please, option A, give me scrap of 7,290. Multiply by machine value 123. Congratulations, you are getting a scrap of 7,290 from option A. So option A is correct. Rest all the options are wrong. Guys, here we are done with the practice of the phase one. Guys, we are done with the CI, effective rate, depreciation. Along with that, guys, I have taken a very good questions on the years, decimals, and guys, depreciation, everything. Everybody, guys, are you all here with me? I hope concepts are going good. Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Can I move forward? Guys, can I move forward? Guys, can I move forward? Everybody, can I move forward? Now, guys, just take a small break of, now it's 8:32. Just take a small break of 3 minutes. At sharp 8:35, we will continue. 8:30. Just wake up, have one small round. At sharp 8:36, we'll start. Just wake up, take one steps, stretch, we'll start. Just 1 2 minutes break. Let's move ahead, guys. So let's move forward. Now let's start with the concept of present value. Here, guys, one thing is missing. I'll give you. Rupees 10,000 is paid every year for 10 years. Guys, write down for 10 years. Guys, everybody with me? Rupees 10,000 is paid every year for 10 years. Just a second. Huh. Guys, rupees 10,000 is paid every year. Once you see the word every year, can I say this is annuity? Can I say this is annuity? For 10 years to pay off the loan amount, if the interest rate is 14%, they are asking the loan amount. In short, they are asking the present value. Everybody, all of you know what is the trick of present value. R upon 100 plus 1 divide equals to GT multiply by annuity will give you present value. Let's apply the trick. Everybody with me? Aman sir, R upon 100 plus 1 divide R upon 100 plus 1 divide equals to how many times? 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. GT multiply by annuity 10,000. Something is wrong, guys. Something is wrong. I think 5 years. No, it was 10 again, guys, sorry, 14. R upon 100 plus 1 divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. GT multiply by, guys, annuity 10,000. You will get 52161. Everybody, guys, 52161. Option A is the right answer. Guys, I am waiting for your reply. All of you guys, I am waiting for your reply. Guys, I am waiting for all of your reply. Option A is the right answer. Now, the present value of rupees 1, the present value of rupees 1 to be received after 3 years. Present value of rupees 1 to be received after 3 years. Yes, right answer. Guys, you are going to receive 1 rupees after 3 years. They are asking its present value. Since they are asking present value, does not mean that you have to apply the trick of present value. This is, guys, there is no multiple payment. You are going to receive 1 rupees after 3 years. And they are asking the present value. Aman sir, they are asking the present value of future money. Guys, how to calculate the present value of future money? Discounting factor of third year multiply by future money. So, guys, how much you are going, what is the discount? How to calculate the discounting factor? Sir, guys, everybody, how to calculate the discounting factor of third year? Aman sir, R, what is rate? R upon 100 plus 1 divide. This equals 1, 2, 3. This is discounting factor of third year, 0.731 multiply by future money is 1 rupees. So, guys, you will get 0.731. Everybody, 0.731. Option C is the right answer. 0.731. Option C is the right answer. Everybody, guys, is this question clear to all of you? Can I move forward now? Next question, guys. Answer me for the next question. Everybody, answer me for the next question. Find the present value of rupees 10,000. Guys, find the present value of rupees 10,000 to be required. Guys, you are going to receive 10,000 rupees after 5 years. After 5 years, if the interest rate is 9%, now after 5 years they are asking the present value. Aman sir, since 10,000 is not a multiple payment, I will say this is the future money and they are asking the present value of future money. How to get that? Discounting factor of that year. Aman sir, let's use it. Yes, discounting factor of fifth year. R upon 100 plus 1 divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Discounting factor of fifth year multiply by future money 6499. Everybody, guys, 6499.32. Guys, 9649 and 32 or 31. Guys, everybody, this difference is acceptable. Yes, you can go with option B. Everybody, guys, yes, you can go with option B. Next question, guys. Sanjana borrows rupees 5 lakhs. Borrows, guys. Sanjana has taken a loan of 5 lakh rupees to buy a house. To buy a house. Planning to buy a house. To buy a house. Sanjana has already purchased a house for which she has taken a loan of 5 lakh rupees. If she pay an equal installment, she is planning to pay this loan amount in 20 equal installment, 10% outstanding balance. What will be equal annual installment? Aman sir, they are asking annuity. Aman sir, this is present value. Why this is present value? Because she has already planned, she has borrowed, she has already bought, she's planning to borrow after 5 years 20 installment. No, she has already borrowed. This is a today's value. It is guys present value loan. Aman sir, they are asking annuity. Everybody, present value they have given. Question has given you present value 5 lakh. Question has given number of installment 20 years. Rate is guys 10%. They are asking annuity. Let's do it, everybody, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. Aman sir, R upon 100. R upon 100 plus 1 divide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. GT. I need to calculate the annuity. M plus 5 lakh present value divide by MRC. Confirmation call. You will press equals to button. You will get guys 58 729 58 729.81. Everybody guys, 58 729.81. You can say option A. Everybody guys, option A is the correct answer. Next question guys. Here guys, there is a correction guys, wrong option guys. MTP, I have checked this today also guys, they have given the wrong option. We will calculate our answer guys. Wrong options. I think they should write here 6. By mistake, they have not written the 6. They should write here 6. That is the biggest mistake they have made. But guys, let's get the answer from our side. Aman sir, X bought a TV costing 25,000 rupees, making an payment of 5,000 rupees and agrees to make an equal annual payment for 4 years. Guys, X has bought a TV of 25,000. 5,000 down payment he has already done. So what is the outstanding loan? He has taken a loan of 20,000 only. So guys, outstanding amount is only 20,000 and he is planning to make an equal annual payments for 4 years. How much would be each payment? Again, they are asking annuity. And guys, what is the rate? Rate is 14%. Everybody, let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Everybody, guys, right answer, right answer, right answer, right answer. Let's do it. Aman sir, R, clear the memory. R upon 100 plus 1 divide equals to how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. GT. You want to divide this? No, sir. Something else. M plus. What you want to divide? 20,000 divided by MRC. You must be getting 6864. Guys, 6864.09. Now you can't say round off. This can be also the answer. This can also be the all are very much close to 6864. What I feel is 6865 they would have given. I would have accepted this. So guys, this option is wrong. Yes, this is the right answer. Yes, Balram, Santosh, everybody guys. Santosh, something wrong you are doing. Santosh, you are doing something wrong. Santosh, something wrong you are doing. The correct answer will be not A, B, C, D. The correct answer will be 6864. Guys, can I move forward? Everybody, let's move ahead. Aman sir. Now let's start with this. Now, suppose your friend decides to give you 10,000 every year. 10,000 every year. Aman sir, this is annuity. Now starting from today. Oh my God. Starting from today. This give me the clarity that this is a question of due. I always say mention the word due. Now write down plus. Now let's wait to decide whether it is present value or future value. Sir, Aman sir, they have given you an annuity of 10,000 rupees multiple payment for next 5 years. You deposit the amount in the bank and you receive guys how much? 10% on interest component. What is the present value? Aman sir, this is a question of due plus present value. Wait, everybody with me. Normally our present value trick starts from R upon 100 plus 1. But if it is a question of due, our trick will start from 1 plus equals to, let's do it guys. Let's do it. Clear the memory. Aman sir, 1 plus equals to R 10. R upon 100 plus 1 divide equals to how many times? Since you have started with 1 plus equals to, you have to press equals button 1 less. 5 installments. So you have to press equals button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want the total. Do you have any button? GT. Guys, multiply by annuity 10,000. Guys, 416 98. Guys, everybody, are you all getting option D? Guys, are you all getting option D? Annuity due. Guys, you can write down the trick what you are playing. 1 plus equals to R upon 100 plus 1 divide equals to GT multiply by annuity will give you present value. You will press equals to button number of installment minus, guys, number of installments minus 1. Guys, solve this question. Everybody, guys, please do it. Guys, next question. Everybody, guys, please do this question. Please do this question. Yes, yes, yes. Everybody, guys, right answer. Lalit, Balram, Anirudh, ML, Santosh, Kateshwar, everybody, guys. Superb, superb, superb performance from all of you guys. You all are going to rock in the exam. Stay positive, and with this positivity, every day, guys, give me 1.5 hours or 2 hours. I'll get you revised all the variations of the problem. Let's see. Anil bought a motorcycle for 1,30,000 rupees. Okay, agrees to make 30,000 payment and equal payment for 5 years. Yes, he has made a down payment of 30,000. So what is the loan amount? Sir, now the loan amount is only 1 lakh rupees. Okay, for 5 years, how much would be each payment? Guys, if the rate of interest is 10%, how much would be each payment? They're asking annuity, guys. They're asking annuity. Let's do it, guys. Everybody. Sir, can we go from option to question? But why? But how and why to go from option to question? Anirudh, but why? Sorry, Shubham Borkar, Shubham, but why to go from option to question? There is no need. They're not asking anything backward of equals to button. Guys, everybody with me. They're asking annuity. Let's start, everybody. Sir, R upon 100 plus 1 divide equals to how many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. GT. I want to divide this. No, something else. M plus 1 lakh rupees loan. Present value divided by MRC. Are you all getting, guys? Everybody, 2, 6. 379 point, guys, 7. Everybody, are you all getting option D? Yes, 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 yes. Option D is the right answer. Now let's move ahead. An overdraft of rupees 50,000 is to be paid back, guys. Is to be, you not you have to pay today, is to be paid back. You have to pay 50,000 rupees over a period of 20 years. Find the value of the installment compound, guys. You will need, guys, you have to pay an overdraft. Everybody, guys, you have to pay an overdraft of 50,000 after 20 years. Okay, rate is 14%. How much would be, guys, each installment? Guys, how much money should I set aside every year? So I will have 50,000 to pay an amount of overdraft which is going to be due after 20 years. In short, I want 50,000 after, guys. This is not a question of present value, guys. This is a question of future value. You have not borrowed 50,000 today. After 20 years is to be paid back, is to be, and guys, the word is overdraft. Guys, you have to pay back this in 20 years. Guys, this is a question of future value. Aman sir, our future value trick starts from 1 plus equals to R upon 100 plus 1 into 1. Guys, I know you all know the trick. You are all are done with the class and YouTube revision. R upon 100 plus 1 into 1. 20 years. I will press equals button 19 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. GT. M plus 50,000 divided by MRC. Confirmation call. You will say yes. 549.30, guys. 549.30. Option B is the right answer. Anirudh, superb answer. Yes, yes, yes. Let's move ahead, guys. The present value of, guys, you need to calculate the present value. Guys, you need to calculate the present value of rupees 80 made for 20 years. Guys, number of installment, how much? 20 installments. Rate is 5%. They are just asking the present value of rupees 80. Guys, annuity to present value. Let's apply the trick. Aman sir, how to convert the annuity into present value? R upon 100 plus 1 divide 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. GT multiply by annuity 80. Guys, are you all getting 966.966 0.82. Guys, they have given the answer 980, 977 approx. So 977 is the right answer. Anirudh, again a very good answer. Everybody, ML, right answer. Jovidha, Balram, highly impressive answers from all of you. Now, guys, mark this question as an LDR. A very good question. Again, guys, but this is a question of simple interest. But if they have written in the bracket compounding or something like this, then this would be a question of the present value. But since this is their interest is charged on simple interest basis, this can never be the part of the phase 2. This belongs to the question, pure question of the simple interest. Write down, guys. This is a pure question of simple interest. Now, here one more thing they have missed in the question, guys. 5, write down, make a correction, 5 monthly EMIs, 5 monthly EMIs. If they don't mention this, the question is wrong, guys. Now everybody with me. Now what they are saying, see, Arun purchased a vacuum cleaner by giving 17,000 cash down payment. 1700 he has done the down payment, which will be followed by, now he is making an payment in installment balance, he is making the EMI. So how much he is planning to pay? As 480 rupees, 5 monthly installment. How much? 480 multiplied by 5, planning to pay, guys, this much he will pay. Okay, so see what he is saying, there is one vacuum cleaner for which he has paid 1700, for which he has paid 17 down payment, and balance he is going to pay 480 rupees for 5 installment. Okay, in this installment he is paying for the vacuum cleaner along with some interest part. Okay, now the vacuum cleaner can also be bought for 3900. Guys, the vacuum cleaner price is, guys, 3900. He has paid 1700. It means 3900 minus 1700. Can I say he has taken a loan of 2200? Vacuum cleaner price is 3900. They have clearly mentioned you can purchase entire vacuum cleaner without any EMI at 3900. But he has made 1700 down payment. So can I say what loan he has taken? He has taken a loan of how much? 2200. Guys, he has taken a loan of how much? 2200, for which he will pay 2400. It means how much is the interest component he is going to pay? Aman sir, he has taken the loan of 2200, and for which he will be paying 2400. So guys, what is the interest component he will pay? 200. Guys, and this is interest is charged on simple interest basis. They are asking this under this investment plan, what is the rate of interest? Guys, now very easy question. Aman sir, simple interest is equals to principal into rate into time. You are going to pay 200. How much loan you have taken? 2200. Now, what is the rate I need to calculate? Time is 5 months. You are paying 200 rupees interest in 5 months, but we always take the time in years. So 5, everybody guys, 5 divided by 12. This will cancel and you will get R is equals to 200 multiplied by 12 divided by 22 multiplied by 5. Let's do entire calculation in the calculator. Now 200 multiplied by 12 divided by 22 divided by 5. Aman sir, we are getting 21.8%. If you round it off, you can say 22%. If you round it off, guys, you can say 22%, ignoring the decimals. So guys, this is a very good question. This is a very good question of simple interest. Aman sir, but why you planted intentionally this question in present value? Because many students will start thinking about the present value when they see the installments 480, 480, 480. It's simple interest, guys. If the interest is charged on the compound interest basis, then I would have converted 480, 480 annuity into a present value, and I would have solved like that. But guys, this is a question of simple interest, not of the annuity, yet not of the phase 2, not of the phase 2. Everybody guys, yes, a very good question. Now let's move forward, guys. Present value of guys, present value of 5 years annuity is given, rate is given. What is the amount, guys? The present value they have given the sorry guys, they have given the present value, rate is 8%. What is the amount of annuity? They are asking present value to annuity. Let's apply the trick. Everybody, r upon 100 plus 1 divide. How many installment, guys? 5 years. 1 2 3 4 5 gt. I want to divide this. No, something else from this. M plus 2000 present value divided by mrc. Guys, you will get 500.9. Everybody, guys, 500.9. Option A is the right answer. 500.9. Everybody, option A is the right answer. Is this point clear to all of you? Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Can I move forward? Yes. Guys, we are done with this part. Now, guys, Abdul has taken a loan from Bahadur at 7% per annum. The loan is to be repaid in 3 equally yearly installment of 10,000. What is the loan amount? Guys, they have given a annuity. You are paying 10,000 for 3 years. Rate is 7%. They are asking, guys, loan amount. They are asking the loan amount. They are asking the present value. Can you convert the annuity into present value? Yes, Aman sir. Let's do it. R upon 100 plus 1 divide 123 GT multiply by 10,000 annuity. Guys, so answer is 26 243 something. Guys, they are ignoring the decimal. You also ignore the decimal. Option C is the right answer, 243. Everybody, is this point clear? Yes. Now, again, guys, Paul has taken a loan. Present value has taken a loan of 20,000. Condition to repay at the rate of 5%. Annual installment, guys, how much is the installment? 2,000. Guys, find the number of years. Aman sir, whenever they ask principal, whenever they ask anything backward of equals to button, we have to go from option to question. But don't worry, guys, I am going to give you here one shortcut which is very important. Everybody, guys, please, 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 are you all here? Everybody with me? See, here, this is not a very good answer. In your module, they have given the answer 14.2. Let's check. Can I say, Aman sir, since they are asking time, I will go from option to question. The option which will convert my annuity of 2,000 into a present value of 20,000. That option will be correct. Let's start with this. And let's start with option C. Everybody with me. R upon 100 plus 1 divide. If I consider option C as correct, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 gt multiply annuity of 2000. Guys, you are getting, again, guys, wait, huge difference. R upon 100 plus 1 divide 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 gt multiply by annuity 2000. You are getting 19,797. Here, guys, you are getting a difference of something 200 rupees. Aman sir, what if we check for option C, option D? We need an answer bigger than option 14. Now, guys, since they have 15 will cross 20,000 something, 20,800. And here the difference will be 800. Here the difference is almost 200. So you will check, go for option C. That is true. But guys, now, Aman sir, but what if options are in decimal? What if they give 14.2, 14.8? In that case, I request all of you, please bring your attention over here. Just a second, guys. This part was not mentioned in the revision. I have drafted one very good shortcut. Everybody, let me teach you that. Let me teach you that. Just a second, guys. Just a second. See, everybody. Now, guys, there is no need of interpolation technique. Now, there is no need of interpolation technique. If they are asking the time in present value, or if they're asking the time in future value, and you think the options are in very close decimals, we can't go from option to question. Use this shortcut directly. Many students use this formula, then try to get the end. It wastes their almost 5 to 6 pages, 5.5 pages, 5 to 6 steps. Don't waste that, guys. Do like this: minus log of, don't worry about this, minus log of 1 minus present value into r upon a upon log of 1 plus r. If, guys, if you replace this minus from the plus, the same will be the formula for the present future value. Denominator remains the same. I'll tell you this, guys. Aman sir, we need to calculate the time. Okay. Again, minus log of 1 minus present value into r upon a divided by log of 1 plus r. Guys, don't use interpolation technique, that will waste your time. This is the better shortcut I have drafted. Aman sir, because now we are following the log approach, we'll use that only. Everybody, now n is equals to minus log of 1 minus present value into r upon a divided by log of 1 plus r percent. Guys, see, look at this. You can write down later on log of minus log of 1 minus present value into r upon a divided by log 1 plus r. Aman sir, how to deal with this? Everybody, please, guys, I want your attention. I can't teach you later on. Let's do this entire calculation in the calculator. Let's do entire calculation in the calculator. Sir, why? Because that is going to be lengthy. This is more better approach. Trust me, guys. Let me complete this part. You will find that this will give you answer in less than 30 seconds. Go with this. This is a new approach. I have just drafted 10 days before, guys. It is most simplified approach. This will save your time and space. I request, guys, please bring your attention. Sir, present value into R. What is present value? 20,000. What is rate? 5%, 1,000 divided by A. What is A? 2,000 annuity. 0.5. 1 minus 0.5, you will get 0.5 divided by log 1 plus R percent. What is R percent? 5%. 1 plus 5%. Aman sir, we will get here log 1.05. Done. Guys, see, this looks complicated little bit, but once you practice one question, it is just a matter of one line. Just matter of one line. Guys, let's calculate the log of this and divide. Aman sir, what about this minus? Trust me, this will be converted into a plus. Let's calculate the log of this. 1.05 under root 13 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 minus 1 multiplied by 3, 558. You are having this m plus, again guys, again 1.05 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 minus 1 multiplied by 3, 558 m plus. Now let's calculate this. 0.5 log 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 minus 1 multiplied by 3, 558. You are getting negative. Here also you have negative. Negative will positive. This divided by MRC, confirmation call. Aman sir, 14.2. N is equal to, guys, 14.2 years. Everybody, guys, yes. 14.206, yes. 14.2. Everybody, guys. Since in your module they have given a better answer, 14.2. But guys, here the answer will be 14 years, since they have not given the decimals. Guys, here we are done with all the variety of questions from the present value, depreciation. Everybody, guys, can I move forward? Guys, can I move forward? Yes or no? Can I move forward? Santosh. Guys, if you want, you can take the picture of it, or you can write down this later on if you don't have this notes. Okay, this will be available. This session is available with you. Now, let's begin with the questions of future value. Everybody, guys, Anirudh, I have just simply used the content, guys. You have rate. Everybody, you have present value, you have rate, you have annuity. This is rate, this is present value, this is annuity. Guys, see how we have calculated this. Guys, look this very fast now. I have calculated this part first. Present value 20,000 multiply by rate. What is rate, guys? Rate is 5%. Multiply by 5% divided by annuity. How much is annuity? 2,000 divided by 2,000. 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 will be 0.5 with minus sign. Log 1 plus r percent. 1 plus 5%. Log 1.05. That's all. Now I have taken the log of this in memory. Log of this divided by MRC, you will get 14.2. Now guys, I'm not going to repeat this part because we have already done 2-3 questions before this. Now, guys, everybody, can I move forward? Anirudh, just practice once again. You will have this. You can watch this later on once again if you're having doubt. Can I move forward, everybody? Now, future value. Guys, a sinking fund is created redeeming debentures. 5 lakh rupees, guys. You need 5 lakh rupees. You need 5 lakh rupees at the end of 25 years. At the end of 25 years, how much provision should be made out of the profit at the end of each year? At the end of each year, guys, they are asking annuity. They are asking annuity for guys for 25 years. What is the rate? rate is 4%. Guys, future value to annuity, everybody guys, future value to annuity. Let's start. Future value 5 lakh rupees I want after 25 years. How much money should I keep aside, set aside every year? Everybody, let's start. Aman sir, one, since it is a future value trick, our future value trick starts from 1 plus equals to, now let's start. 1 plus equals to r upon 100 plus 1 into 1, 25 years. I will press equals to button 24 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 25, sorry guys, again. 1 plus equals to r upon 100 plus 1 into 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 1 2 3 4 24 gt. I want to divide this, no, something else. M plus future value 5 lakh divided by mrc. R you are getting 12005, 12005.9. If you round it off, can I say you will get 12006? Option A. Everybody guys, is this point clear to all of you? Is this point clear to all of you guys? Can I move forward? Yes, Aman sir. Guys, here they have given the wrong options according to me. Let's get our correct answer. Guys, I strongly believe in MTP. I don't know why, but yes, wrong options were given. Guys, answer was correctly if they have not given this monthly, if they have given this annually. So guys, let's do one thing. Let's not do this question wrong. Option will match only if they have not written this word and monthly, if they have written annually. So I write down this annually. Guys, write down this annually. Redeem this, guys, convert this monthly into an annually. Rupees 500 is invested at the end of each month, not month, at the end of each year. Then only option will match, guys. Then only option will match. At the end of each year, rate is 8% annually. Find the future value, guys. You are making 500 rupees payment at the end of each year. Rate is 8%. For how many years, guys? Number of payments are 10. They are asking the future value, guys. They are asking the future value. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Aman sir, 1 plus equals to r upon 100 plus 1 into 1. 10 years equals to 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 gt. Multiply by annuity 500. You will get 72. Everybody guys, you will get 7243, 7243.32 guys. 7243.28. 0.28 guys, if you round it off, you will get 0.3. Everybody, option A will be the correct answer. Yes, I see. Now here when they ask this question was wrong. So if you are very much confident in the exam, yes, this is wrong question, guys. Okay, just make sure you attempt that question so you will get the bonus markings. Now moving forward, guys, a very good question is waiting for all of you guys. Please mark this question as an LDR raised to the power 3. Mark this question as an LDR raised to the power 3. Are you all here with me, guys? Now, not much questions are pending. Guys, we'll crack in next 15 minutes. Guys, we'll close the session. By 9:30, guys, we'll pack up. 20 minutes is more than sufficient. We'll practice all the questions because we are going through the trick and now we'll increase a little bit speed. Now, at 6 month, very good question, guys. Please, everybody pay attention. X6, guys, options are wrong. Guys, options are wrong. I'll make you solve these questions. At 6 month interval, A deposit 1000 rupees in a saving account. Guys, at every 6 month interval, at every 6 month interval, A deposit 1000 rupees in a saving account which credit at a 10% semi-annually. The first deposit was made when A's son was 6 months old. Guys, okay, just a second, guys, just a second. Everybody, guys, read the question. Let me try once again. Guys, okay, let's start. Guys, first, yes, guys, first installment was, guys, 1000 rupees. Okay, it deposit 1000 rupees when the son was 6 months old. Okay, credit interest rate, guys, what is the rate? 10%. And compounding is the first deposit was made when a son was 6 months old, and the last deposit was made when his son was 8 years old. Guys, can I say his son is, if his son is born here at the end of every 6 months, compounding is done half yearly. In till 8th year, how many installment he has made? Sir, at the end of every quarter, at the end of every year, half year he is making 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees. Can I say this is annuity? How many installment for 8 years? 16 installment. Guys, now what I am asking, if they're asking the bank balance after 8 years, what is the bank balance when the son is of 8 years? That will be an easy question. But they are not asking this. They are asking, okay, thank you, Ravi. Now, the money remained in the account and was presented to the son when his son is 8 on his 10th birthday. Guys, his father has made a deposit of 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees. Up to what age? When his age is 8 years. But the money was presented to the son when he attained an age of 10th birthday. On his 10th birthday, the money was presented to the son on this particular date. Money was presented to the son on this particular date when the son is of the 10 on 10th birthday. So what they're asking, the money retained in the account and was presented to him, how much money did he receive? Guys, they are not asking the amount in the first box. They are asking the bank balance in the second box. Aman sir, can you convert this annuity into future money, into future value? Yes. Let's do it first. Let's do it first. Everybody, r, sorry, future value 1 plus equals to r upon 200. Why 200? Half yearly, r upon 200 plus 1 into 1. 16 installments. You will press equals to 15 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 gt multiply by annuity to 1000. So guys, here the bank balance is 23,657, 23,657.49. But guys, money remained in the account and it was presented to the son when he is on his 10th birthday. So for 2 years he will get the interest, and interest is compounded half yearly. So guys, now I have to calculate the amount on this particular date. But Aman sir, why can you consider this as an annuity? Because there is no other 5,000 rupees is deposited. Here there is no extra money is deposited. Money is deposited till his 8th birthday only. So guys, now I will add the interest for 2 years. Let's add it. Rate is how much? 10. R upon 200. Money is compounded half yearly. Plus 1 multiply by principal 23657.49. In 2 years, how many half years? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, you will get 2875. There's something is wrong. Wait, guys. 2, 3. 28755. Yes, absolutely correct answer, guys. 28755.82. And guys, this will be the money presented to him on his 10th birthday. Yes, 28, not 625, 28755. 28755. Sumitya, wrong answer. You have to add the interest. Guys, we have solved this kind of question in the class after 11th payment. Money was retained in the bank balance. So what will be the bank balance 1 year after? 1 year after. Here it is the money after 2 years they are asking simply. Now, next question, guys. How much money is to be invested every year? You need 3 lakh rupees. Not today. You need 3 lakh after at the end of, you need 3 lakh rupees at the end of 10 years. So how much money should I deposit at the end of every year? So guys, future value to annuity. What is the rate? Rate is 10%. Let's start with this, everybody. Aman sir, let's start. 1 plus equals to r upon 100 plus 1 into 1 equals to 9 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 gt. You want to divide this? No sir, Aman sir, something else. M plus 3 lakh rupees divide by MRC. 18823.61, 18823.65. Everybody, are you all getting? Everybody, option A? Yes, yes, yes. Next question. Mr. deposited 10,000 every year. Can I say this is annuity? Starting from today. Once you read the word starting from today, can I say this is a question of due? Now, I am reading this question to identify whether this is a question of present value or this is a question of future value. For next 10 years, interest rate is 8% compounding. What is the future value? Aman sir, future value trick normally starts from 1 plus equals to, but since it is due, my trick will start from R upon 100 plus 1. Let's start with this, guys. R upon 100 plus 1 into 1. 10 years means how many installments? 10 installments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. GT. Multiply by annuity 10,000. Guys, are you all getting 156? 454, guys. 454. Guys, here 454, 554, guys. So very much sure. 156, 454.8. Everybody, option A is the right answer. Yes, everybody, Anirudh, right answer. Option A is the right answer. Next question, guys. Rajesh deposit 3,000 at the start of each quarter. At the starting of each quarter. At the starting of each quarter, I'm answer due. Annuity at the starting of each quarter, saving. If the account earns interest, compounding is done quarterly. How much will money he receive at the end of fourth year? At the end of fourth year. Aman said they are asking the bank balance of multiple payment. They are asking future value. But since the payment is done at the beginning, this is the question of due. Normally, future value trick starts from 1 plus equals to, but since it is due, R upon 400. Let's do it, guys. 5.75 R, sorry, yes, R upon 400 plus 1 into 1. Guys, at the 4 years. In 4 years, how many quarters? 16 quarters. You have to press equals button 16 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. GT. Multiply by annuity 3000. So guys, 54, 308. Everybody, guys, superb answer. If you are getting the answers, guys, the trick is here in your mind now. Guys, you are getting the answers for all these questions, guys. See, no writing approach. I have given you this much space only. If you are having the smart work, you can save the time, you can save the space. Everybody, guys, can I move forward? Guys, can I move forward fast? Everybody, can I move forward? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now read this question. Rajesh invest 20,000. Rajesh invest 20,000 every year. Can I say annuity? In a stock index fund which earns 9% per annum for next 10 years. Okay. Rate is 9%, 20,000 every year. What is the closest value of the accumulated investment? Yes, accumulated investment. What is the closest value? They are asking the bank balance fund, how much it will amounts to after 10 years. Let's start with this. Aman sir, let's start. Aman sir, they are asking the future value of an annuity. Let's do it, guys. 1 plus equals to R upon 100 plus 1 into 1 equals to how many times? 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. GT multiply by 20,000. So guys, future value will be 303858. 303858. Everybody, you can clearly see option B. You can clearly see option B. Now, next question, guys. How much amount is required to be invested? Guys, how much amount is required to be invested every year so as to accumulate 6 lakh at the end of 10th year? Okay, if the interest is compounded annually, what is rate? 10%. Guys, they are asking the annuity. They are asking the annuity. Let's do it, guys. Future value to annuity. Aman sir, 1 plus equals to R upon 100 plus 1 into 1. Now, 10 years. Should I press 10 times or 9 times? Aman sir, 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. GT. You want to divide this? No, Aman sir, something else. M plus. Future value 6 lakh. Divide by MRC. Confirmation call. Yes. Are you all getting 37? 647. 37, 647, guys. All the options look same. Don't, after getting the correct answer, don't tick the wrong option. Slowly, but get the answers correct. Now, next question, guys. You invested 10,000 every year starting from today. Aman sir, starting from today means due. 10,000 every year means annuity. Suppose the interest rate is 8%. Calculate the future value, guys. Calculate the future due plus future value. Aman sir, future value normally it starts from 1 plus equals to. But since it is starting from today due, we will start from r upon 100 plus 1. Let's do it, guys. Clear the memory. R upon 100 plus 1 into 1. R upon 100 plus 1 into 1 equals to how many times? 10 times, because we have not started with 1 plus equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. GT multiply by annuity 10,000. Are you all getting 1, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 4? Guys, here it is 4, 8, 4. Something changed, guys. Yes, option A is the right answer. Everybody, guys, is this question clear? Guys, here we are done with the future value. Now let's start with, guys, now let's start with the sinking fund. Everybody, let's start with sinking fund. Now let's start with sinking fund. Everybody, company established a sinking fund to provide, guys, sinking fund is nothing, it is a question of the present value or future value. If they use this sinking fund, it does not mean that there is a new concept. It is a simple question of present value or future value. Now company established sinking fund to provide payment of 2 lakh. Guys, you need 2 lakh to make a payment after 20 years. Contribution to the fund to be made every year. Contribution, what contribution to be made every year, so that you will have 2 lakh rupees after 20 years. Aman sir, they have simply given you future value and they are asking the annuity. Can you convert the future value to annuity? Yes, let's apply the trick. Sir, I am Santosh from another ID. Okay, Santosh, let's start. 1 plus equals to r upon 100 plus 1 into 1. 20 installments equals to 19 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. GT, you want to divide this? No, Aman sir, something else. M plus, what you want to divide? 2 lakh. Divide by MRC. Aman sir, 6048 point something. Can I say 6049? Yes, Aman sir, 6048 point something, 6049. Option B is the right answer. Everybody, are you all done with this? Sir, see, slowly and gradually, it is just like we are doing entire regular batch. I have given you revision lectures on YouTube. Now I'm going with the practice batch, getting you practiced in a structured way, all the variety, MTP, PYQ, which usually students skip in the self-study. Guys, can I move forward? Aman sir, let's do the perpetual annuity questions. How to solve the perpetual annuity? Aman sir, we can calculate the anything which is payable forever. Any annuity which is payable forever. That is known as perpetual annuity. How to get the present value of perpetual annuity? Aman sir, the formula is present value of perpetual annuity A upon I. If you have growth rate minus G. Let's check. Discount rate is 9%. How much would you pay? You want 50 rupees forever. Guys, growth rate is given. How much you should deposit today? They are asking present value. You need 50 rupees forever. Guys, 7 minus 5%, that is 2%. How much is 50 divided by 2%? 50 divided by 2%. Are you all getting 2500, everybody? Yes, someone said 2500, option C. Now, let's look at the next question. Guys, question number 64. The value of present value of sequence of payment 80 made at the end of each 6 months continue forever. Sir, you have perpetual annuity. How much? 80 rupees forever. Money is worth, guys, 4%. Okay, they are asking the present value of perpetual annuity, but the problem is, guys, this time you need 80 rupees at the end of every half year. So if you want to get the rate, if they have given you, if you're asking the annuity of half year, don't take the rate, first divide it by 2, then take the rate. If you want 80 rupees per quarter, don't take the rate per annum, take the rate per quarter, divide by 4, then you take the rate. In the same way, guys, so 80, I will not take the rate 4%, divided by 2, 2%. What is 80 divided by 2%? Are you all getting 4000, everybody? Yes, Aman sir. We are getting the answer 4000, everybody. 4000. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Guys, here we are done with the concept of the perpetual annuity as well. Now, moving forward, capital investment. Guys, what the question is saying, a machine can be purchased for 50,000. You can purchase the machine by paying 50,000. Machine will contribute 12,000 per year for next 5 years. Guys, can I say this will be my regular income? Guys, can I say this will be, guys, can I say this will be my regular income? Sorry. Can I say this will be my regular income annuity for next 5 years? Rate is given. Whether the machine can be purchased. Aman sir, for this we have to calculate NPV. What is formula of the NPV? Present value of cash inflow minus present value of cash outflow. What is the present value of cash outflow? To purchase this machine, you have to invest 50,000 rupees. Okay. Can you convert this annuity into present value? Yes. Let's convert this. Aman sir, I am going to have 12,000, 12,000, 12,000 every year. I need present value of that 12,000. Can you consider that 12,000 as an annuity? Yes. Let's convert this into present value. R upon 100 plus 1 divide. How many installment? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. GT. Multiply by annuity 12,000. Let's ignore the decimal. Increase it by 1. Are you getting 45? 490 minus 50,000. Aman sir, NPV is negative. You are getting NPV minus 4510. It means you are getting loss. Since you are sustaining losses, guys, should you purchase or not purchase? My answer will be not purchase. Not purchase. Don't purchase. Guys, everybody, is this point clear to all of you? Loss, sir, so no purchase. Yes, Balram, Santosh, Anirudh, very good. Sumati, very good. Guys, NPV question. NPV. Guys, one NPV question here I have taken. Yes, here this is a question of NPV as well as capital investment. Aman sir, but what if there is not the same cash inflow every year? If the cash inflow change every year, then how to calculate NPV? Guys, make one correction. Here it should be bracket negative. Outflow. This is outflow. Guys, we have to calculate the NPV. Aman sir, to calculate NPV, we have to say present value of cash inflow minus present value of cash outflow. So guys, what is present value of cash outflow? You have to invest 100 rupees. But the problem is you are not having same cash inflow every year. So how to get the present value? You are going to receive 60 rupees. Everybody guys with me. You are going to receive 60 rupees at the end of first year. So discounting factor of that year multiply by future money. You are going to receive 40 rupees at the end of second year. Discounting factor of second year multiply by future money, present value. You are going to receive 50 rupees at the end of third year. Discounting factor of third year multiply by future money. Let's do it guys. Now, I have taught you this very well in the concept handbook in both the batch. Either on YouTube you are going through or in regular batch. Both guys I have taught in detail only. Now let's do it. Aman sir, let's find the discounting factor of first year. R upon 100 plus 1 divide equals to 1 time. Discounting factor of first year multiply by future money 60 m plus 40 rupees you are going to get in the second year. R upon 100 plus 1 divide 1 2 discounting factor of second year multiply by future money m plus this you are going to receive at the end of third year. R upon 100 plus 1 divide 1 2 3 discounting factor of third year multiply by future money m plus MRC. Aman sir, the present value of cash inflow is 121.048 minus 100, you will get an NPV of 21.048. Guys, here they have forgotten to written. The answer must be nearest 1000. Aman sir, I need to convert this into 1000. Multiply by 1000. So you will get, guys, in 1000 you will get, or I can say in 1000, 21048. 21048. Everybody, option D is the right answer. Everybody guys, option D is the right answer. Moving forward guys, now 4 more questions to go. Everybody, leasing concept. Guys, we are done with the capital investment. We are done with the NPV, both NPV. Different cash inflow, same cash inflow also. Now, guys, leasing concept. Now, company is considering proposal of purchasing the machine either by making full payment of 4,000 or by leasing it for 4 years. Aman sir, we have two options. Either we can buying cost, we have to compare it for by present value of lease rental. If you buy the machine, you have to pay 4,000. But if you go on lease rental, you have to pay 1250 1250 for how many years, guys, for 4 years. You can take it for the 4 years. What is the rate is 14%. I need to convert these lease rentals into present value. Can you say consider them as an annuity? Yes, consider them as an annuity. Let's do it, guys. Aman sir, how to convert this annuity into present value? Let's apply the trick. R upon 100 plus 1, divide 1234 GT, multiply by annuity 1250. Aman sir, the present value of lease rentals are 3642. Now see, now company is planning to proposal to purchasing a machine, guys, by making full or by taking it on as lease. Company is a lessee. Company is planning to take it on lease. For them, buying cost is also an expense and leasing is also an expense. Less expense is preferred. Since present value of lease rental is less, so guys, I will say leasing is preferred. If companies plan to lease out, for them the lease rentals are income. In that case, I will say leasing is not preferred. But this is a question from the lessee point of view, not from the lesser point of view. Yes. Yes, Balram, Santosh, everybody, guys. Correct answer. Correct answer. Yes. Now, guys, for this, I will say this is a question from the MTP, but they have not mentioned the years. So I will say, guys, this is a wrong question was given. If you want to solve, you can consider it 20 years and you can get the answer. But I have drafted one more question from the MTP of 2023 only. Let's do the correct question. A very good question, guys. Now, let's do it. Now, look at this. A 1,000 rupees bond paying annual dividend at 8. See, I sometimes they will say give you companies paying interest or companies paying dividend. Both are same, guys. Redeemable at par. Redeemable at par for 10 years. Find the purchase price of the bond. Investors rate, guys. They have given you investors rate. Investors rate is 8%. Okay. Now let's make a diagram. Sir, for valuation of bond, we need to find the valuation of bond. We get two benefits from the bond. First, company is planning to give you dividend for 10 years. How much is the dividend rate? 8.5%. So you will get the dividend on face value 8.5%. You will get 85, 85, 85 for how many years, guys? For 10 years. Here is the, guys, for example, this is your 10th year. So you will get 85. So guys, can I say you will get 85, and when the bond will expire at the end of the life of the bond, you will also get the redeemable value. Bond is redeemable at par, so you will get 1,000 also. Aman sir, how to calculate the value of the bond? Sir, we need to convert everything into today's value because we need to calculate value on this date. So guys, how to calculate the value? Aman sir, we need present value of dividend or interest, present value of interest plus present value of redemption value. Guys, this is what you are getting every year. Can you consider this is a regular income? Can you say this is annuity? Can you convert this annuity into present value? Yes. But what rate should I take? Should I take company rate, or this time when I'm converting into present value, or should I take investor's rate? Aman sir, the value is calculated by the investor. So you have to take investor's rate 8% to convert into present value. Let's do it. R upon 100 plus 1, divide. How many installments? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. GT. Multiply by annuity 85. Aman sir, we are getting this 570.35. M plus. What else you are getting? Aman sir, we are getting this 1,000 rupees at the end of 10th year. I want to convert this into present value. Can I say this is future money? I want it to convert into present value. Discounting factor of that year, R upon 100 plus 1. Divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Discounting factor of 10th year, multiply by future money 1000. So what is the present value of this? 463.19 M plus MRC. So guys, what is the total? Aman said the value of the bond is 1033.55. 1033.55. Everybody guys, option B is the right answer. Everybody guys, option B is the right answer. Guys, investors rate, yes, yes, yes. Everybody, is this point clear to all of you guys? Here we are done with the leasing, NPV, capital investment, valuation of bond. Now let's deal with the CAGR. Guys, here the something is missing. Guys, write down if you have this notes. Guys, calculate CAGR for 6th year with respect to second year. Guys, with respect to second year. Okay, this is by mistake, this is missed. With respect to second year. Everybody guys, how to calculate CAGR? Aman sir, CAGR formula is current value divided by initial value raised to the power 1 upon number of period minus 1 multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. Guys, what is the initial value? 157.35. What is, guys, sorry, what is the current value? 157.35. Aman sir, we need to calculate with respect to second year. So in second year, what is the initial value? 100 raised to the power 1 upon number of period. When it is in table concept, you have to take number of years 1 less. So how much is the year? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If they have given number of years is 5, then you will take 5. But if they have given in table format, you have to reduce it by 1. 5 years, you will take 1 by 4. Because money is compound. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Money get compounded for 4 years only. It looks like 5, but money is getting compounded for 4 years only. But when they give you number of years directly, number of years and number of period are same, because they have directly given you compounding years. Guys, are you getting a point, everybody? Now, minus 1 multiply by 100. Let's get CAGR. Let's use the calculator, everybody. 157.35 divided by 100. 1 by 4 means under root 2 times 1, 2 minus 1 multiply by 100. 11.99. Guys, can I say you are getting 12%, everybody? Yes, are you getting 12%? Option B. Option B. Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Let's have one more question of the CAGR MTP 2022. Mock test paper 2022, guys. MTP 2022. Guys, everybody with me. Shall we start? Guys, shall we start the question? Yes. Sir, Ravi made an investment of 15,000. Maturity was 25,000. They have given the CAGR 8.88%. Calculate the approximate number of years. Guys, you know, they're asking time. They have given rate. Whenever they ask principal rate or time, equals to or backward of equals to, we can also go from option to question. What question is saying? You have deposited 15,000. After some years, it is now 25,000. Money is getting compounded at 8.88%. They are asking the time, in how many years. Aman sir, you can simply say this is principal. You can simply say this is amount. I will go from option to question. The option which will convert my principal of 15,000 into an amount of 25,000, that option will be correct. I will go from option A first. Let's check. Don't worry. I know options are in decimal. I will calculate the exact time also for you. Everybody with me? Aman sir, clear the memory. Now, Aman sir, R 8.88, R upon 100 plus 1 multiply by principal 15,000. Now let's check for option A6. I will press equals to button 6 times and I will pray option C. Option A, please give me 25,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2499. The difference of 10 rupees totally acceptable, guys. Option A is the right answer. But I know what is there in your mind. Aman sir, but what if you have 6.2, 6.3, 6.8? Very close options. Don't worry. Let's calculate the time. Now I have made you ready to deal with the log. Aman sir, see. What is the formula of CAGR? Current value initial value raised to the power 1 upon n minus 1 multiply by 100. How much is this, everybody? This is 8.88%. Current value 25,000. Initial value 15,000. Guys, raised to the power 1 upon n. I need to calculate n, multiply by 100. Now guys, do everything with me. This, guys, now apply common sense. This 100 will come here in division. Let's do it directly. 8.88 divided by 100. Now this minus 1 will come here in plus 1. So you will be getting 1.0888 is equal to 25,000 divided by 15,000, 1.66 something raised to the power 1 upon n. Now, you know how to convert this into a log. Aman sir, whenever you need to get the power, power is equals to log of this divided by log of this. Done. Now, but you don't need 1 upon n, you need n. Guys, you need n. Let's reciprocal both the sides. So n will be log of 1.66 divided by log of 1.0888. Let's do entire calculation in the calculator. Everybody, let's calculate this first. 1.0888 dot entire 12 digit 1.0888. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 minus 1 multiply by 3,558 m plus. Now let's calculate this. Log of 1.66666666. You need to take log of this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 minus 1 multiply by 3,558. This divided by MRC. You are getting 6.00. You can simply ignore the decimal and you will say n is equal to 6 years. I am not saying that you have to go do like this. Guys, first you have to go like this from option to question, and this is just for your peace of mind, guys. I have taught you option 2. Guys, you can calculate whatever you want. And guys, here we are done with the revision of the entire mathematics of finance. Guys, simple interest is easy part. If you get the time, we'll solve. But I have given you the questions for the practice. And guys, here it is just like we have solved entire question bank, one regular batch question bank, not even a fast track question bank. 71 questions, compound interest, effective rate, depreciation. Then guys, we have started with the present value, future value, perpetual annuity, sinking fund. Guys, NPV, capital investment, leasing, valuation of bond, and guys, then we are done with the CAGR. Now, guys, if you feel, you will find that Aman sir, if you were, we would be doing the self-study revision, sometimes students have that panic mode. Sir, are we able to complete all the things? Is all the variety covered? Don't worry. This practice batch will take care of your all the revision. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Don't forget to like the video, put a valuable comment. It will be very motivating for me. See you all in the next revision. Bye everyone. Take care. All the students who have enrolled for the practice batch, you must be added to a separate WhatsApp group. Within 24 hours, my team will add you, and all the information I will be providing you over there. Before the session, I will be sharing the PDF one day before. I will try at least 5 hours before I can share the PDF, so you guys can generate the printout of it, and that will be more easy and it will increase the speed. See you everybody, guys. Bye everyone. Take care.